Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today I am making paper lamp hanging. You can use this craft for Independence Day decoration. Things required for this work are half of white A4 paper using long side, green A4 size paper, one green paper strip of 1 by 8 inches long, scale, pencil, glue, and a pair of scissors. First, take green paper, fold it into half, draw 1.5 inch broad line on the open side of folded paper. Then draw perpendicular lines about approximately 1 inch thick from left to right, edge to edge of the paper. Now make the slits and cut it till the horizontal line. Take white paper, fold it twice horizontally and cut fringes. Now attach both the papers together. Apply glue on one long edge of green paper and paste white paper on it. Open green paper and apply glue on one vertical edge. Roll the paper carefully and paste it with the other edge. Take green strip, apply glue on both the edges and paste it with the lamp from inside. Now take a pencil or any other round object and curl these fringes. You can use these lamps for decorating your house. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to give me your feedback. Thank you. Bye bye.